Well, good morning, class of 2020, and congratulations on making it to your final day of high school. First off, I want to share with you that having had many conversations with our staff members during distance learning, and based upon my own reaction to this difficult situation, it is evident the tremendous joy our interactions with you on a daily basis bring us. These connections are a huge part of why we do this job, and there is no doubt that we have missed you during this time. So traditionally, on this final day for seniors, I usually get on the school PA system and share a message with everyone about how proud we are of all of you and all of your accomplishments. I'll typically talk a little bit about how you've chased this dream to the end, the dream of graduating from high school, of course, and how once this is over, the real work will begin. Finally, I mentioned something in the realm of remaining resilient as you move forward through the battlefields of life. Once again, my address to the school would have likely been similar this year had we not all been ordered to stay at home and begin our distance learning experience a little over 2 months ago. Well, I must say that the message itself remains the same in many ways this morning, but there is just a little bit more that I feel I need to share with you. When Governor Walz announced on April 24th that schools would be closed for the remainder of the school year, I cannot say that I was surprised. As I heard this and started to truly think about what this meant, it hit me pretty hard. I was actually incredibly sad, and I was heartbroken. You see, prior to that announcement, I had hope. Hope that we would be allowed to go back, hope that we could finish the year the way we intended, and hope that we all could honor you the way that you guys deserved to be honored. I've thought a great deal about the events you've missed out on, your senior prom, the spring musical, our scholarship and awards ceremony, choir tour, your senior spring athletic endeavors, and ultimately a traditional graduation ceremony. Please know that from the beginning of this, our thoughts have been with you and on you. I am so sorry for what you've had to and will need to endure because of these unprecedented circumstances. But I also know this. You are the ones that have endured. You've endured 13 years of educators' expectations. You've endured the assessments, navigating relationships, late night cramming, hopefully not too much of that, the gauntlet of homework assignments, after work study sessions, the heartbreaks, the setbacks, and the successes. So even though we may not be able to finish this school year the way we all wanted to or intended to, I do know that one thing is for sure. There is hope. There is always hope, no matter what. No one can ever take that away from you, and no one can ever diminish your vast and incredible accomplishments. You are resilient, you are strong, and you are creative. I know that you will get through this and come out on the other end of it even more well-rounded than you already are. So with that, class of 2020, I say congratulations. We at Spectrum are so thankful for the opportunity to have gotten to know you, spend time with you, and learn with you. Thank you for all of your hard work, and thank you especially for your inspiring spirit. We wish you nothing but the best.